Fyodor once said, "The mystery of human existence lies not in just staying alive, but in finding something to live for." Hi, and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj, and this episode is all about understanding the why of living a purpose-driven life. Washington Irving said, "Great minds have purposes, others have wishes." So, what exactly is a purpose? Purpose is not simply a goal like wanting a bigger house, getting a better job. Rather, it is much more than that. Having a purpose in your life is like having a GPS installed within you, which is constantly showing you the way to lead towards your destination. Now, this destination in itself is big enough to give you the chills of thinking, how can I ever be able to achieve that? And this is what your purpose in life is. Various complementary studies have shown that striving to live a purposeful life directly impacts our brain health too. According to one of the studies published in the American Journal of Epidemiology in 2019, and led by Drs. Yin Chang and Eric Kim, states that having a purpose has a direct impact on physical health, psychological balance, self-esteem, and emotional processing. These goals and the meaning that each one gives to people's existence act as an internal support, which takes away burdens, filters fears, and restores balance and hope. Thus, a purpose is something that challenges your inner strength, motivates you to keep going during tough times, showing you the end point to reach and helping you channelizing the ways to choose your journey to reach that destination. It helps you in positioning yourself and your life, in setting goals in your life, and in instilling the hope in your heart, and energizes you to be a self-motivator and chase the destination. That's what having a purpose in life means. In his book, Flow, The Psychology of Optimal Experience, the psychologist Mihaly explains that having a purpose in life means having a fixed intention in your mind that takes you towards something that is meaningful to you, something that goes even beyond yourself. And Winston Churchill said, "It's not enough to have lived. We should be determined to live for something." As Mark Twain said, the two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you discover why. Even if one strives to living a purpose-driven life, it is important to understand that it isn't going to be easy. It's not easy at all. The mindset of living a purposeful life itself challenges the old conditioning that you might have. It goes against the patterns that has been a driving force in your life until this point, and challenges you to allow change and get out of your comfort zone and moves in direction of your life's purpose. And all these are always nerve-wracking. Getting out of the comfort zone or challenging your old belief systems, it can be too scary to even think of choosing to live a life led by a real and impactful purpose. But that's what the crucial stage is, to know the dangers of leaving the comfort zone and still striving to stretch your inner strength to welcome this change, especially the change of mindset. Thomas Jefferson said, "If you want something you never had, you have to do something you have never done." All you need is to just start and be focused. So, do you choose a life driven by your soulful purpose? Or are you going to continue to live the same life? Choice is always yours, but what matters is what end result you want to have in your life. Ask this question to yourself, and I'm sure you will get to a stage where you will be able to choose the path that is right for you. And if you need any help to learn how to start living a purposeful life, where to start from, or if you are looking for an accountability partner, book a one-on-one with me and I'll do my best as a self-love lifestyle mentor to help you create the life you desire. With this, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. Share this podcast among the people in your network. Subscribe to the podcast and help me reach across the globe, helping people become self-loved. Stay tuned for the next episode and stay self-loved.